Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix apps not downloading on App Store. So guys, if you are using iPhone or iPad and want to download any kind of app on App Store and facing issues related to downloading, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. Simply you have to click on your main profile, and guys, if you have login your Apple ID, simply you have to sign out your Apple ID, and guys, after a few minutes you need to sign in again. After doing this, you have to go back. The second option is you need to open your settings on your iPhone, click on your main Apple ID name, and guys, you need to sign out your Apple ID and sign in again after 5 to 10 minutes. And guys, after this you have to click on general. So guys, check your VPN connection. If you have connected VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset. You need to reset your network settings. After doing this, at last you need to check for update. So guys, if you have any kind of update on your iPhone, you need to update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.